a very good morning to one and all present here. I, Sanya Sachdeva, welcome you all on behalf of GD Goenka Public School Sarita Vihar to this beautiful morning of a very special day in our Grade 2 graduates' life. As it is rightly said that when prayers go up, the blessings come down. So before we begin, let us all seek the blessings of Almighty.
God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. So high, you can't get over it. So deep, you can't get under it. So wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love.
As you all know, that today we have gathered here to bid a farewell to our very own Grade 2 graduates as they step further in their life. There is a short message for all the Grade 2 champs from all the teachers who have taught them. You are a very special person, and I want you to know how I loved to be your teacher. How fast did the year go? Please come back to visit me as through the years you grow. Try hard to learn all you can. There's so much to know. The thing I tried to teach you to last your whole life through is to know that you are special just because you are you.
As you head towards your journey from junior wing to the senior wing, junior wing wishes our grade 2 champs all the best for all their future endeavors.
Before we start the special day, here are a few words of encouragement from our respected Principal Ma'am.
Hello to all our wonderful super Goenkans of class 2. So this is a milestone achievement as now from class 2 you would be stepping into the senior school to class 3. This last 1 year has been a completely different experience for each one of you. I know that. But hats off to your parents and to your teachers that learning continued and you were able to accomplish your goals. I congratulate each one of you as an accomplished Goenkan, and I'm sure you will continue to shine out and do wonderfully in the years to come. So while I bid you farewell from class 2, a very warm welcome with open arms as I receive you to the senior school in class 3. Have a great year and a great journey ahead. Thank you. Wishing you all the best.
Now it's time to meet our grade 2 graduates. Here we have the amiable batch of 2A, beaming batch of 2B, and finally the captivating batch of 2C.
Now comes a heartfelt goodbye and a tweet from your mentors who have been with you in your enlightening voyage from nursery to grade 2.
Congratulations, Grade 2, on your amazing achievements. This is from all your nursery teachers. It was a delight teaching you all and watching you grow with time. We have been observing you, your enthusiasm, and your willingness to really engage with your understanding and knowledge. I wish we were all together in school to celebrate this day. Despite the numerous issues we have all had to confront, you all have mastered the skills, tools, and concepts that will help shape the solutions for the future. We are so proud of you all and are excited to see how you take the next challenge. So, congratulations once again and wishing you the best for everything. Stay safe and never stop putting in your best effort.
Good morning, dear students. Today, I take this opportunity to say bye to our dear Grade 2 students who are moving to Senior Wing for their next session. I still remember when you came in kindergarten, you all were too young that you used to walk in straight line holding each other's shoulders. With time, you grew into an independent student. Each one of you gave so much love and affection that you became like a family. Today, my eyes are filled with water of joy, seeing you all are prepared for the next phase of your life. Many good wishes to all the Grade 2 students. A happy farewell to everyone.
Happy farewell, dear students. Today is a big day in your life. You all are moving from the primary wing to the middle wing of our school. But you will always remain a part of our heart. We will forever cherish all the wonderful moments you shared with us. May you all be successful and happy in life. Wishing you all the very best for the future.
A very good morning to one and all. Today is the last day of grade 2, the closing of one door and the opening of another. Although it's a mixed feeling for each one of us to bid farewell today, as we are sad that you are leaving us, but at the same moment we are really proud to see you climbing the ladder and moving to another level. We would like to thank each child for all the warmth, the memories, and the learning that we have shared this academic year. It's not that we just teach, we do learn so much from each one of you. A little bit of each of you will always be with us. Our wish for you is that you see the spark in yourself and in others as we see that in you. Compliment others and be proud of your own accomplishments as we are proud of you. Believe in yourself. You are stronger than you know as we believed in you. Fill your heart with laughter and smile as we love to see your smiles. Remember, you all are unique, special, and amazing. There will never be another you. Wishing everyone all the best for your future endeavors. Don't forget that we will always be there for you.
Music gives a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything.
ये बचपन का जमाना है, खुशियों का खजाना है। ये बचपन का जमाना है, खुशियों का खजाना है। ये बचपन का जमाना है, खुशियों का खजाना है। चाहत चाँद को पाने की दिल तितली का दीवाना है। चाहत चाँद को पाने की दिल तितली का दीवाना है। ये बचपन का जमाना है, खुशियों का खजाना है। ना है खबर कुछ सुबह की, न शाम का ठिकाना है। ना है खबर कुछ सुबह की, न शाम का ठिकाना है। थक हार के आना स्कूल से, पर खेलने भी जाना है। थक हार के आना स्कूल से, पर खेलने भी जाना है। ये बचपन का जमाना है, खुशियों का खजाना है। ये बचपन का जमाना है, खुशियों का खजाना है। माँ नानी की कहानी है, परियों का फसाना है। माँ नानी की कहानी है, परियों का फसाना है। बारिश में कागज की कश्ती है, हर मौसम सुहाना है। बारिश में कागज की कश्ती है, हर मौसम सुहाना है। ये बचपन का जमाना है, खुशियों का खजाना है। ये बचपन का जमाना है, खुशियों का खजाना है। हर एक खेल में साथी है, हर रिश्ता निभाना है। हर एक खेल में साथी है, हर रिश्ता निभाना है। गम की जुबान ना होती है, ना जख्मों का पैमाना है। गम की जुबान ना होती है, ना जख्मों का पैमाना है। ये बचपन का जमाना है, खुशियों का खजाना है। ये बचपन का जमाना है, खुशियों का खजाना है। चाहत चाँद को पाने की दिल तितली का दीवाना है। चाहत चाँद को पाने की दिल तितली का दीवाना है। चाहत चाँद को पाने की दिल तितली का दीवाना है।
Not just your teachers, but I am sure the juniors will also miss you a lot. So here we have some messages from your grade 1 friends.
It's time to say goodbye, but I think goodbyes are sad. So I would rather say hello, hello to a new beginning. Dear Bhaiyas and Didis, we as your lovely juniors have always looked up to you all for inspiration and guidance. Not only this, our teachers also time and again kept motivating us by telling that work hard. Don't you all want to become like Bhaiyas and Didis of grade 2? Don't worry, we won't let you down, and we will hold the flag high as a mark of our duty and love for you all. Thank you. Rightly said, Advay. Even though you all graduate to middle wing of our school, but we will always keep in touch. And don't worry, we will keep bothering you for those smart tips and that extra support. All of us on the campus are very proud of you. We grade 1 batch wish you all a bright and a colorful future ahead.
The ceremony won't be complete without getting to know the experience of grade 2 students. So here we bring to you a few experiences that our grade 2 students want to share with all of us.
Good morning everyone. I am Alia from class 2A. We all are aware that the schools remain shut and we were unsure about our future. We shifted to online classes. All the teachers extended their full support, help, guidance, motivated us to become more independent. Every one of us has enjoyed learning with virtual tours, singing, competitions, dance, chopai, going to Wonderfest, etc. On top of all, we did not miss any festivals and we look forward to each day with enthusiasm. Online award and certificate ceremonies have been a big booster. We also appreciate the respect and honor the school has shown to the grandparents, and we are so proud to be a part of GD Goenka Public School. We wish the first graders all the very best. On behalf of Grade 2, this is a gratitude card prepared by me for Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, all the teachers for being a pillar of strength during these trying times. Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. On behalf of Grade 2C, I, Samanya Arora, would like to express my sincere gratitude to the entire team of GD Goenka for the hard work and care that was provided during the COVID-19 crisis and online classes. I would like to thank all the teachers for organizing varied events and webinars during this time. Everyone had been so patient, caring and generous throughout the year. You all not just imparted education but taught us the lesson of life. We second graders will soon start a new session but always need the blessings of our gurus. Thank you Principal Ma'am and Vinita Ma'am for always guiding us in the right direction. May we all soar higher under your supervision. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Parental involvement in a child's learning process from the early years to high school remains among the key factors contributing to a child's success in school and life. So here we are with a valuable feedback from the parents of grade 2.
Hello, I am Dr. Reshma Chauhan, mother of Samriddhi Chauhan, class 2B, and Shriya Chauhan, class KGB of GD Goenka Public Schools, Sarita Vihar. My experience during this present academic session 2020-21 was quite exciting and fun-filled. As you all know, due to the COVID-19 outbreak, everything was standstill. Especially for kids, it would have been difficult if not for the commencement of online classes from the end of March 2020. Their regular studies kept them engaged in learning, doing activities, yoga, art and craft, taekwondo, dance, music, sports and concept classes. The kids were not deprived of meeting the teachers, meeting their school friends and learning as they used to do when they used to go to school. And this also didn't make them realize of the lockdown effect actually. I thoroughly enjoyed reliving my childhood and my hobbies with my kids, thanks to the online classes. Thank you teachers and the entire GD Goenka Public School Sarita Vihar team.
Hello everyone, I as a parent appreciate the efforts made by the school as well as teachers. The online classes are of great help to the students. Moreover, they have kept our children engaged in studies as well as in other activities. I value the efforts and concern of all the staffs of the school. Every day we appreciate the learning and nurturing that my daughter get from your wonderful school. My daughter joined the school in grade 2 itself last year, but I felt she was always a part of this academy. We are extremely happy with all that legacy offers to the children. We are pleased with the ethos of the school, which aspires to identify each child's capabilities and provides an environment that enables all children to achieve their potential. The school is proactive in ensuring the overall development of the child, and the quality of teaching is excellent. The management and staff are very approachable and open to suggestions. Their focus on the child's well-being rather than only academic performance is refreshing. The warm and loving bonds that are forged between teachers, students, and staffs are heartwarming. We had never thought the online classes to be so much productive and interesting as well. We thank GD Goenka for coming out with so much innovativeness, and that too at very start of the situation. It gives me immense pleasure to get a chance to appraise the efforts of the entire staff of GD Goenka during COVID-19, a very rare and sensitive situation. I really appreciate the burning potential of all faculty members who are doing their best to educate our children. I am glad to thank the leader, the principal ma'am, the coordinators, and especially all faculty members who are engaging children in productive and constructive operations. Last but not the least, I would like to greet a big thank to the class teacher, Mrs. Gurjot Kaur ma'am, who proved the best to help prepare kids for the road ahead in life. Thanks with regards.
The day will not be completed without the golden words of our headmistress ma'am.
A very good morning, dear children. Isn't it a happy day today? We are all as excited as you all are. Because today is going to be your last day in the junior school. Wow, you've finally grown and you're going to go to the middle school. You're going to become class 3 students. And we are so happy for each one of you. God bless each one of you. You know, I still remember the days when you came. So many of you came to us in nursery. Some of you joined us in KG and 1. And me and all the teachers are so proud to see you all today. And we are a little sad also. You know why? Because now you will be shifting to the middle school and to the senior building, and we will not get to see you as often as we would like to see. But you know, children, our blessings are all there as a protection for you. All your teachers love you so much. I love you so much. Principal ma'am always keeps talking about you, and she's going to be very happy to see you in the building. And we bless you and want to see you grow stronger and brighter and shine wherever you are and do whatever you do in your lives. But don't forget to come and see us and wish us whenever you see your teachers and see me, because we would love to hear from you as much as we can. Thank you to each one of you, and God bless you. Lots of blessings and loves and hugs to each one of you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless.
Are you all now ready to have a tinge of nostalgia by looking at the journey from nursery to grade 2? Dear lovely children, we will miss you. We will miss your stories, your jokes, your hugs and smiles, your laughter, your kindness, your out-of-the-box thinking, your willingness to try, your thoughtful questions, your desire to be the best you can be, your curious mind. We as teachers had so much fun mentoring you, and also as your second family. All the best for your brightest future ahead.